DJI introduced the Mavic series in September 2016, which was a compact and foldable drone with professional-grade camera capabilities. 2 years later, they followed up the series by releasing the Mavic 2 Pro. It was the smallest drone to feature a 20-megapixel 1-inch type camera sensor with Hasselblad's natural color solution technology. It really was an impressive feat, but there were some shortcomings. As a result, 3 years later in 2021, DJI returns with their highly anticipated DJI Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Cine. While both of them share almost the same hardware, the Mavic 3 Cine is only available as a combo package. And if you're not willing to spend that much, pairing the standard Mavic 3 with some must-have accessories seems to be a great idea. If this sounds like you, then let's check out some of the must-have accessories for DJI Mavic 3 in this video. Sure, the DJI Mavic 3 comes with the DJI RC-N1 remote controller, but putting your smartphone back and forth can be a bit troublesome. That's why you should get yourself the DJI RC Pro, which not only can be an all-in-one solution, but will also provide you with plenty of customization and expandability to suit your flying style. It sports a built-in 5.5-inch Full HD high-bright touchscreen display that is made to work perfectly with the Mavic 3's ability to live stream what the drone sees. And as soon as you receive the live stream from the Mavic 3, you can also use the mini HDMI connection to output the footage to an optional monitor. Additionally, it offers a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 with 2x2 MIMO technology, access the internet with the built-in browser. Aside from the 32GB of internal storage, it also has support for an external microSD card slot that is expandable up to 512GB of storage. With 4 customizable buttons and up to 3 hours of battery life, the DJI RC Pro sure does seem like an excellent must-have accessory for your new DJI Mavic 3. There is no doubt that the DJI RC Pro is an awesome accessory for the DJI Mavic 3, but the thing is that it's pricey. And some of us will still prefer to use our smartphone screen with the standard DJI RC-N1 remote controller that comes along with the box. If that's the case, then buying a monitor hood for the DJI RC-N1 remote controller is a must. It's because when we're shooting outside in harsh lighting conditions, most of the budget smartphone screens aren't capable of producing that much brightness. DJI has already realized this and designed the RC-N1 remote controller monitor hood in a way that can protect smartphone screens from strong lighting. The hood efficiently blocks the direct sunlight and lets you access the screen, reducing glare for a clearer image during use. So, if you're planning to use the default DJI RC-N1 remote controller using your smartphone screen, then opting for this monitor hood is a good idea. DJI Mavic 3 is the first prosumer drone to feature a dual camera setup. The main camera is a 20-megapixel 4/3 camera sensor that is co-produced with the legendary Hasselblad. The telephoto camera, on the other hand, features a 12-megapixel half-inch sensor. All these sounds exciting, but did you know that DJI is also selling a wide-angle lens to enhance the images and videos even further? The field of view of the Hasselblad lens is 84 degrees, but with this installed, the field of view instantly expands to a whopping 108 degrees, with an equivalent focal length of 15.5 mm. This boosts the Mavic 3's capability to capture more dramatic nature shots or to include more people and buildings in footage regardless of the urban as well as industrial areas. All in all, if you want to enhance the experience with the newest DJI Mavic 3, then buying yourself the wide-angle lens can be beneficial for you. The built-in storage capacity of the DJI Mavic 3 is only 8GB, which is kinda low, especially when you're often shooting 4K videos. Thankfully, you can expand it, and there is no better way than to expand your storage with the 128GB SanDisk Extreme microSD card that is available only for $35. With read speeds up to 160 megabits per second and write speed up to 90 megabits per second, it lets you capture every detail of your adventure and quickly transfer those big files between devices. In addition to that, the microSD card is temperature-proof, waterproof, shockproof, and even X-ray proof to survive under challenging environmental conditions. Finally, if you want to capture more fast action footage in 4K quality, then don't forget to buy the 128GB SanDisk Extreme microSD card for your DJI Mavic 3. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, DJI Mavic 3 can detect obstacles in all directions to plan a safe flight route. Not just that, DJI also made a propeller guard for the Mavic 3 that is thoughtfully designed to improve flight safety even further. That said, this propeller guard is designed in a way that provides solid barriers for each of the spinning propellers to protect people and objects. It's because the guards are meant to make first contact with objects or people to minimize the possibility of damage or injury in case an accident occurs. On top of that, for easy installation, each guard is crafted to install quickly without added bells and whistles, so you can get up and running in no time. Overall, if you want to enhance the security features of the DJI Mavic 3, the DJI Mavic 3 propeller guard will not disappoint you. If you think by now you've got all the amazing must-have accessories for the DJI Mavic 3, then you might be mistaken. Because without a carrying bag, how can you possibly think to carry them around you? Introducing the DJI Convertible Carrying Bag that offers multiple configurations with larger storage space. Also, as you've already guessed by the name, this carrying bag can be converted from a shoulder bag to a backpack with multiple options in transporting your gear to the next drone shoot. In the shoulder bag configuration, it can house the folded Mavic 3 drone with all its accessories. And when you choose to use it as a backpack, other than the drone and accessories, it can also hold a 16-inch laptop. To conclude, if you want to bring all the must-have accessories along with your Mavic 3, then consider buying this DJI Convertible Carrying Bag for you. So that was all about the must-have accessories for DJI Mavic 3. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.